Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Malescu and I am the owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida. Here at Malescu Law we specialize in business, corporate law in Florida and immigration throughout the United States. If you need to get in touch with us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell button or the subscribe button. So today we are going to speak about the employment-based green cards, so those immigrant visa categories that result in you or your employee getting a green card at the end of the process. Now, before we discuss the employment-based green card categories, it is important for you to understand that all immigrant visa categories, so those that result in you or your employee obtaining a green card, start with the letters EB. So we have EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4 and EB5. Anytime you hear a visa category or you see a visa category that starts with EB, it means that it is a visa category that results in you or the employee obtaining a green card at the end of the process if all the applications and petitions are approved. And now we're going to discuss the various employment-based green cards that vary from those that require a perm labor certification to those that only require a job offer or those that can be self-sponsored. 1. Categories of green cards that require sponsorship from a U.S. employer and a perm labor certification from the U.S. Department of Labor. So if you are a U.S. employer that wants to sponsor a green card for your employee or you want to bring employees from abroad, then you can apply for green cards in the EB2 and EB3 categories, and that really depends based on the position you are looking at, if it is a skilled, unskilled or professional position. As an employer, you will be required to obtain a perm labor certification from the U.S. Department of Labor in order to sponsor your employees under the EB2 or EB3 immigrant visa categories. 2. Categories of green cards that require a job offer from a U.S. employer but do not require a perm labor certification from the U.S. Department of Labor. So these employment-based green card categories only require an offer of employment from a U.S. company, and they are category EB1B, that is for outstanding professors and researchers and require a job offer from a U.S. employer. And the second category is EB1C for managers or executive of multinational companies, including owners of such multinational companies. 3. Categories of employment-based green cards that do not require a job offer from a U.S. employer and do not require a perm labor certification. These are the categories of employment-based green card where an applicant can self-sponsor, meaning that the applicant is not required to have a sponsorship from a U.S. company and can self-petition for these green cards. However, in certain cases, some applicants may have actually a job offer, and that is absolutely fine. You can still apply, but it's not necessary that you have a job offer from the U.S. employer. And these green card categories are EB1A if you have extraordinary ability in the arts, sciences, business, education or athletics, or EB2 National Interest Waiver, also known as EB2 NIW. That is if you have advanced degree meaning bachelor's plus at least 5 years of progressive experience, or a master's degree or above, or you have exceptional ability in the arts, sciences, and business, and your proposed endeavor is in the national interest of the United States. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you need to get in touch with us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. We will see you soon. Bye.